Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I'm going to answer one of my YouTube viewer questions. Now, they want to know if it is normal for this cover to be missing on their 9th gen Honda Accord vehicle. They have a 2015 Honda Accord Sport, and to answer that, yes, the Sport model does not come with this cover. The only models for the 9th gen Accord that comes with this cover for the driver under dash right here would be the V6 model. Now, if your 9th gen Accord did not come with this and you want to add this, you need to get the cover along with few clips and locking nut right here. You don't need to purchase this one. This is not really necessary. This just goes over a screw that's in the back that goes at the tip right there. But what you can do is you can just wrap some electrical tape on it, because this right here, believe it or not, costs $10 from Honda. So don't purchase this. It's not necessary. But you do need to purchase these two little white clip and the locking clip right here. And so for the clips, it goes in right here. And this side right here, and this one goes in the middle right here. So see that, just line that up. And that's it. Now if you look underneath the dash and look all the way to the back, you'll see this little metal piece that's protruding out. So this is where that rubber piece goes over. It goes over like that. But again, you can go ahead and just wrap some electrical tape on it, or not even do anything at all. I noticed that you can install it either way, but since I purchased this, I'm going to put it here. And then once that's installed, you go ahead and slide the end over that, like that. And then the white clips will go in this little slot. There's one right here, and there is another one right there. Right, the last thing to is we need to go ahead and lock this into place. So make sure it's vertical like this, up and down. Take it, turn it clockwise, and it locks into place, and that's it. All right, so that completes the installation of this cover for the driver's side. Now, this is a lot easier to install your LED strip down here. Before, without this, people were having a hard time deciding where to go ahead and install the LED strip for the footwell lighting. Now that this is installed, you can go ahead and mount it across right here, and it'll be out of sight. Alright, hopefully this answers your question. I'll have the product link in the video description below. If you have any other questions, please leave in the comments. Alright, thanks for watching.